In the manufacturing industry, burnishing is a process used to smooth and polish metal surfaces. A burnishing tool is a specialized tool used to perform this process. The tool is typically made of hardened steel and has a smooth, rounded surface that is used to apply pressure to the metal surface. The burnishing process is often used to improve the appearance of metal parts, as well as to improve their durability and resistance to wear and tear. The burnishing process involves applying pressure to the metal surface with the burnishing tool, which causes the metal to deform slightly. This deformation results in a smoother, more polished surface. The process can be used on a variety of metal surfaces, including steel, aluminum, and brass. Burnishing can be performed manually or with the use of automated machinery. Berkness Company is a manufacturing company that specializes in the production of metal parts and components. The company offers a wide range of services, including machining, welding, and fabrication. The burnishing tool is an important tool in the manufacturing process, as it allows the company to produce high-quality metal parts with a smooth, polished finish. If you are interested in learning more about the burnishing tool and how it can be used in the manufacturing process, you can visit the Contact Us page on the Berkness Company website. The company's team of experts can provide you with more information about the tool and how it can be used to improve the quality of your metal parts. Whether you are looking to improve the appearance of your metal parts or increase their durability and resistance to wear and tear, the burnishing tool is an essential tool in the manufacturing industry. FAQs. 1. What is a burnishing tool used for in manufacturing? A burnishing tool is a finishing tool used in manufacturing to smooth and polish metal surfaces. It is commonly used to create a mirror-like finish on metal parts, such as gears, shafts, and bearings. Burnishing tools work by applying pressure to the surface of the metal, which causes the metal to deform and fill in any surface imperfections, resulting in a smooth and shiny finish. 2. What types of burnishing tools are available for use in manufacturing? There are several types of burnishing tools available for use in manufacturing, including rotary burnishing tools, diamond burnishing tools, and carbide burnishing tools. Rotary burnishing tools are used for larger surfaces and can be used on a variety of materials, while diamond and carbide burnishing tools are used for smaller surfaces and are typically used on harder materials, such as steel and titanium. 3. What are the benefits of using a burnishing tool in manufacturing? Using a burnishing tool in manufacturing offers several benefits, including improved surface finish, increased durability, and reduced friction. Burnishing tools can also help to reduce the need for additional finishing processes, such as grinding and polishing, which can save time and money in the manufacturing process. Additionally, burnishing tools can help to extend the life of metal parts by reducing wear and tear and preventing corrosion. For more information, contact Berkness Company today.